Alright, today we've got a cabin tour of 12214 here on board the brand new Star of the Seas. This is a Oceanview balcony. We just did a tour of the Surfside balconies, so we'll see the comparisons here. But as you can see, of course, pretty similar. Very nice big desk, lots of drawers, and of course, a mini fridge full of, well, it's usually not full, but we put waters in here. Got ourselves a lot of connectivities, the light switches here, USB-A, USB-C, and a regular port there. Then, of course, you got yourselves your regular closets there with some bins down below. And of course the coat hangers. The bins are quite nice. Of course a nice big couch. Some rooms will have the fold out to where it becomes a bed, or it can turn into a bed itself, but this one I don't believe is the case. And then of course this is a weird thing. Pull on your mirrors on the Icon class because you're going to find yourself a safe. So here we go into one of the most important parts of the cabin here is of course going to be the bathroom. You got yourself 2 wall plugs, a couple shelves, shower pulls on out, gives you a nice bit of space. This is a huge bathroom for sure. Got yourself a little bench to sit on if you want to while you take a shower. Just think about life. Turn it on. I'm not going to do that though. And of course, give ourselves a good suck. And of course, king size bed, or you can split it into the twin beds, or like the 2 single twin beds. And then switch there with a USB-A port. And then your phone in the middle. Same thing on the other side. You get a wall plug as well with USB-A port and a switch there. Nice big TV. And before we go out on the balcony, I do want to show you this because this is obviously very, very important to your room. The General Emergency Muster Station information C4 is the one for this room, but the most important part is the thermostat. Don't touch the thermostat, just kidding. So you get yourselves touch controls here, and it all adjusts the lighting of the room. So we have our morning settings. And this is very similar to the Surfside one we just did, but obviously in a regular one. So this is our morning setting. Click evening. It's going to dim the lights a little bit. Movie knocks it all out. Same with sleep. We didn't see a thing. Of course, nice big lamp, and then of course start making our way outside. Got our big curtains here in case you don't want to see anything. And stepping out on a very nice sized balcony. Very big, and lots of space here. Got 2 chairs with the little pedestals to lay your feet on so you don't get your grubby feet all over the glass there. And then, of course, a nice table and a incredible view. This is midship. So an incredible view of the ship and the ocean here on board the brand new Star of the Seas. And you can see some of the stuff above us as well. But that will conclude our tour of cabin 12214 here on board the Star of the Seas, the balcony cabin here on board. If you want more first looks here at the amazing Star of the Seas, definitely hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell to be notified for all the future uploads. And leave a like if you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.
Yes!